I said I left my baby girl a message, said I won't be coming home, I'd rather be alone. She doesn't fully understand me, so I'd rather leave than to cheat. I said just give me some time, I can be the man she needs. There's a lot of lust inside of me, and we've been together since our teenage years. I really don't mean to hurt her, but I need some time to be alone. But when you love someone, you just don't treat them bad. Oh, how I feel so sad now that she's gonna leave. She's crying her heart to me. How could you let this be? I still need time to see where I wanna be, where I wanna be.